Namaste everyone. Today I am much interested to speak about the very powerful, potent, our very own Indian medicinal herb and my favorite Guduchi. Guduchi is known as Giloy in Hindi, Amrutaballi in Kannada, and coming to its botanical name Tinospora cardifolia. Having the meaning of nectar in its name, it holds good for all the age groups, for children, for teenage people and also for the old age groups. In Ayurveda, Guduchi is considered as a rejuvenator drug. Means it provides the health, it promotes the health, it avoids unwanted diseases, it strengthens your body and also increases your intellectual power. Many people keep asking me that if we take Amrutaballi daily, can we become Amrita, free from death and all? But we cannot escape from the death. Death must be natural. Death must not be a suffering. Nowadays, we see people in their last stages of life, they are dependent 80% on the medicines. Sometimes not even food. That must not be the case for all of us. See, medicines must be the part of our lives. They must not be the option between life and death. For that, we need a rejuvenating therapy in our body. And for that, Guduchi is the very best drug. In India, especially in our Karnataka, we get Guduchi in everyone's house. Guduchi and Tulsi have been grown in each and every house. That's a matter of appreciation. Coming to its useful parts, Guduchi leaves can be used, stems can be used, roots can be used. You can extract the juice from the leaves, Guduchi leaf juice. If you ask the benefit of that to anyone, first and foremost thing they say is, it maintains your blood sugar levels. Yes, of course. Guduchi leaf juice maintains the blood sugar levels by promoting the natural production of your insulin hormone. Next thing, it is being used in fever. You can take 10 ml Guduchi leaf juice morning and night, 5 ml. Especially in case of pyrexia of unknown origin, it can be used. Next, it manages the weight. According to Food and Nutrition Department, they say that Guduchi leaf juice, if consumed daily, it helps in the management of the weight, because nowadays weight gain has become a matter of concern. Whether it has become a trend or what, I don't know, because at a very short duration of time people are putting up with weights. It might be due to the unwanted metabolites accumulation in your body that leads to the hazardous conditions in the future days. So Guduchi leaf juice is very beneficial in maintaining your weight. Coming to the stem, cut the stem into pieces, add 2 to 3 glasses of water, boil it. When it starts boiling and when it gets reduced to half, filter it and take that liquid, consume it daily, or 3 days in a week is also sufficient. It has got benefit in the digestive system, correcting the digestive system of our body. It increases the carminative property of our digestive fire, because in Ayurveda, the reason for each and every disease, regardless how small the disease might be, if you have got headache, if you have got a fever, if you have got a constipation problem, if you have got shoulder pain, neck pain, if you have got a backache or any malaise related problems, we consider improper digestion is the main root cause. So to clear it, Guduchi stem is very beneficial. Many products have come, we prepare many medicines out of it, and also it strengthens your body naturally. It is an immunity booster. To increase the immunity of your body, don't know how many supplements you might take, but they won't match the natural things. Guduchi acts as antispasmodic, it acts as antipyretic and also antioxidant. So it's a wonderful immunity booster for us. It is being available naturally, so use the natural things available around you and avoid supplements as much as possible.